Hi, everyone. Welcome to Qubole On Demand. Welcome to our webinar on Open Cloud Data Lake Platform, and we are going to talk about Qubole with respect to it. Before we start talking about Qubole, we would like to share with respect to what we are seeing in the market with different type of your industry peers who are basically leading with data. What we are seeing is companies like Netflix, Expedia, Visa, Lyft, they are winning in their markets with data. What they're doing is they are learning from the past with this data. They are understanding the present with the data which is coming in, and then they are trying or predicting the future with respect to their customer behavior, their business behaviors with this data. This data, when we look from the past side, they generally do business intelligence with that historical data. With respect to the present data which they are getting, they generally do data exploration, they do analytics, and this is mostly hinged on real-time and streaming data. When you combine all this type of data, they are using AI and ML models to do the predictive analysis with respect to the future, what will be the customer trends, what will be the consumption trends, where the growth is, where they need to invest, how to make the better customer experiences. So as they move on, what we see is they are using a modern data architecture to basically do all these three things. When you look at the modern data architecture, they are using a data warehouse with the standardized ETL concept for their traditional business intelligence. This has always been there, and it will remain there, and it has a role to play. What we have seen a change there, which is beneficial to all the enterprises, is that there has been a secular trend of moving data warehouse towards the cloud to get the benefits of the clouds with respect to data warehouse workflows. But when we are looking at the modern data architecture, there is a whole new things which are happening with the data. People are using data lake to basically do data exploration, ad hoc analytics, and then streaming analytics, and then AI ML. And what is underpinning it is the continuous data engineering, where you basically build your pipelines, you build your workflows, you do data processing, end-to-end automated process of data pipelines to feed into these use cases. All this is being built on the data lake. But with the data lake, as you try to do these many type of use cases, and then you are building different blocks with respect to the underlying integrations or outbound data sharing, you need a data lake platform, a platform which basically helps you take the benefits of your data lake into these use cases and scale as you grow. And that's where Qubole comes in. So Qubole is an open, simple, and secure data lake platform for machine learning, streaming, and ad hoc analytics. The platform provides end-to-end services that reduces the time, effort, and cost required to run data pipelines, streaming analytics, and machine learning workloads on any cloud, which are listed here below: AWS, Google, or Azure. For ad hoc and streaming analytics, the platform's workbench lets you author, save, collaborate, and share reports and queries. You can develop and deliver ad hoc SQL analytics through optimized engines of Presto, Hive, or Spark SQL. And also we have third-party tool integrated such as Tableau integrations such as Tableau, Looker, or Git for one location to basically do all the data visualization or analysis. You can build streaming data pipelines, combine multiple streaming and batch data sets to gain real-time insights. For machine learning, the platform provides capabilities to build, visualize, and collaborate on ML models. Platform's ML specific capabilities, some of them to name, are like offline editing, multi-language interpreters, and version control to deliver faster results, and also to go fast as you are building these models. You can leverage the Jupyter or Qubole notebooks to monitor application status and job progress, and then also use the integrated package manager which comes within the platform to update the libraries at scale. For data engineering, the platform automates the pipeline creation, scale, and monitoring. You can easily create, schedule, and manage workloads for continuous data engineering. You can use the processing engine and language of your choice, like Apache Spark, Hive, Presto, with SQL, Python, R, or Scala. For these use cases that I have just described, the platform reduces the complexity at the data management level and also eliminates the infrastructure complexity in the next two layers. So the data management service improves performance and response time for queries, leading to faster data discovery, and eliminates infrastructure complexity. So the data management service, which you see here, improves the performance and response time for queries, leading to faster data discovery. With built-in ACID transactionality support in the platform, you can avoid lost updates, dirty reads, and enforce app-centric integrity. This is very beneficial with respect to anything you have to do with the compliance for GDPR or CCPA, and mostly towards the right to forget and right to erasure. The platform runtime automates the cloud infrastructure provisioning, deployment, and it further optimizes the infrastructure with workload-aware auto-scaling, cluster lifecycle management, intelligent spot management, heterogeneous cluster management to give you the best TCO industry-wide. As you do comparison, as you go through many type of platforms, that's the beauty of the Open Data Lake platform and all these services underlying, that it provides you the best first financial governance you are looking for. Further, platform has built-in security and governance controls, which are enterprise grade, and they are across all these cloud providers. In addition to the asset compliance, as I talked about, we have RBAC, IAM integrations with the cloud providers so that you can have a single place to manage the user access controls and then drive the policies of who has access to which type of data, which type of reports, and what can be done with respect to it.